Alright. I'm out. K2 Adventures. Daddy, I'm filming! Daddy, I'm filming! I'm out here. Where'd he go? God. It is a poor Earth. I mean, look at that poor submarine. Ah! Look, my dad's phone is out here. Oh my. I can't believe that light is still on out there. That's cool. All right, I'm gonna run over here. Look at this. Look at these rocks. Look out, what is this? Oh my God, I'm getting soaked. Man, I'm froze. This is awesome. Oh my. Look at the puddle of water. Oh my God. It's swinging. There's a ghost. I don't think we need the pool right now. I think the concrete's good. I think we could swim in the concrete. I don't even know where my dad is. Oh my God. Oh my. It's flooding over for sure. Look at this. What? That's all water right there. They were doing fireworks just a couple of minutes ago. Hope they're not doing it anymore, because if they still are, they're not. The fireworks probably aren't gonna go off. Oh, I froze. Oh wow, this is awesome. Oh man. It's like we're, oh boy. I was gonna say, it's like we're tornado hunting. Let's run out here. Oh my God, where do I go? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Mommy, can you believe this? Oh man, it just started raining harder. Hold on, look at this puddle, hold on. Look at this. God. I'm gonna have to dry off and change clothes after this, but man, it is a porter. Look at the lights. Hold on. Poor lights. Oh my God, it's a little bit brighter out. These lights turned on and now it's blowing rain. Man, this is so cool. It's almost scary. I need to get those leg weights in here though. There's one right there and there's one over there. Well, if I don't come